Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga Z100. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users have reported that their Conga Z100 ceases to operate due to a broken gear. This issue usually arises from the wear and tear of components over time or from mechanical stress during use. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to more severe damage or complete failure of your device, resulting in costly repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement gear, and some tweezers. First, ensure your Conga Z100 is unplugged and turned off. Begin by gently prying open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. Once open, locate the gear assembly. It is typically situated near the motor. You may need to remove a few screws to access this area. Use the Phillips screwdriver for this task. As you remove the screws, keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Carefully lift the gear assembly out, being mindful of any attached wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have the gear assembly out, inspect it for signs of damage. If you see the gear is cracked or missing teeth, it will need to be replaced. Remove the damaged gear by gently pulling it off the spindle. Take your replacement gear and align it with the spindle, ensuring it fits snugly. Reassemble the gear assembly in the reverse order, carefully reconnecting any wires you may have disconnected. Once everything is back in place, replace the casing, making sure all clips snap back into position. Finally, plug in your Conga Z100 and turn it on. Test its functionality to ensure the repair was successful. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean your device to remove any debris that may cause unnecessary strain on the gears. Additionally, avoid overloading your Conga Z100 during use, as excessive weight can lead to premature wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.